Oh look, I'm back in Hagerstown at the 3 unit. I feel like I had this same issue with the 4 unit until I finally got that thing stable. But just finished meeting with Scott with Pipe Down Plumbing to review one last time before the job starts for the water tanks and a couple just minor little things that while the unit's empty we're gonna fix. I'll show you those when we go inside. And I just met with the city because they wanted to check on the progress of everything so they would extend my permits and my application, all that fun stuff. And waiting on the HVAC guys to get here to do their deep dive on their investigations for how to chop this thing up and get it back to just servicing 1 unit. So let's go take a look at this inside plumbing stuff and also the patch that I did on that bathtub. Let's see if that thing worked. And I noticed that the tenant in this unit here installed a camera system that is not approved, so that's unfortunate. But we'll have to notify them that they're in breach of their lease, unfortunately. So let's go check out some plumbing things and I will see you inside. So what we reviewed with the plumber, we're gonna change these lines out. Oh, can't see. So we're gonna change these lines out. That's for the washer. And we're gonna change out all of these connections here just because they're old. There's some rust on them. You can kind of see. So we're gonna clean all this stuff up and make it nice. And then in the bathroom, let's go check my let's check my patches out. How did they work out? All right, so everything looks good there. I'm gonna do another coat while I'm here. Let's see how that turns out. And then we're gonna do a new faucet in here. Oh, there's some grab bars, I guess. And change out the plumbing stuff in here. If I can get this thing turned around. Yep, so we're gonna change that out as well. I'm gonna put another coat of patch on that and head off to the next appointment.